The Chevrolet Traverse features an advanced infotainment system that powers your vehicle's navigation, audio, and connectivity features. Here's a view of the Traverse dashboard showing the infotainment screen with MyLink interface and control buttons below. This shows the main infotainment screen with various apps and features like navigation, climate control, and connectivity options. A view of the Traverse interior, highlighting the touchscreen display and climate controls integrated into the dashboard. The Chevy Traverse uses MyLink or My Chevrolet infotainment systems. These systems power your vehicle's navigation, audio playback, smartphone connectivity, and various apps. Like any electronic system, the infotainment can experience glitches such as frozen screens, unresponsive touch controls, or failures in audio and navigation functions. Resetting is a common fix for these issues. Methods range from simple reboots that clear temporary glitches to factory resets that restore the system to its original state. Newer Traverse models from 2022 onward include over-the-air updates and built-in reset features in the settings menu, plus battery monitoring to prevent power-related issues. These reset methods apply to most Traverse models and can resolve common infotainment issues effectively. Start with the Reboot, which is a soft reset. Turn off the vehicle and disconnect the negative battery cable for 1 to 2 minutes, then reconnect. This clears temporary glitches without data loss. Next, the factory reset, which is a hard reset. Access via the infotainment menu under Settings, then System, then Factory Reset. Alternatively, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Note that this erases all personal data. For audio issues, a reset can recalibrate the amplifier. For navigation problems, update maps via USB or the My Chevrolet app. Always perform resets with the vehicle parked and turned off.